Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will share the unboxing and first impressions of Sujata MG03 mixer grinder. So let's check it out. We already unboxed the product during delivery for verification. It is a good practice to verify and check if all the items inside the package are in proper condition. If they are damaged, we can return the product right away. It is good to record this while unboxing regardless of whether you will post this on YouTube or not. We will share the product link in the description. You can check it out after watching this video if you are interested. We used Balzano mixer grinder before. It was really good and powerful, but somehow it got damaged. But getting it serviced and replaced was not a suitable option. It was like expensive, so we got this one instead. I'll share the list of products we got inside the package. We are using the MG03 model. We will get 4 different jars here. We will share all the items we got inside the box. This is the polycarbonate blender jar. Along with this, we get the coconut milk extractor and fruit juice filter. This is the stainless steel blender jar. This is the dry grinder jar, and this is the chutney jar. So totally we have 4 jars for the MG03 model. Also, I have a slight doubt about the quality of the lid locks. Somehow they appear average, but I trust the brand Sujata, so let's see though. Then we also get this tapper, extra stainless steel blade, extra driving gear, and this spatula. We encourage you to read the user manual thoroughly. They shared a lot of useful and safety information. And yes, finally, the powerful 1000 watts motor unit. We got the black color one. I think it is also available in red and light brown color. This unit is quite big compared to our previous mixer grinder. Definitely a bit heavy. This is our second Sujata product. We already got the 3-burner auto ignition gas stove. We published a video about this. We will share that link in the description. Also, please do subscribe if you want to get notified about our full thoughts about this mixer grinder soon. This is the speed control knob. We have the pulse mode, then speeds 0, 1, 2 and 3. We can use the high speed only when required for dry and hard food items. And at the bottom we have a overload protector as well. We have this is a safety feature. We have a self-draining system here. This helps to prevent motor damage, and 3-way cooling vent. We have one at the back and 2 on the sides. For some jars, we can remove the dome like this. Then we can use the tamper at the top. We can do like this. And also at the back of the spatula, we have a spanner like design. This comes handy to insert the new stainless steel blade. So let's do a quick demo now, just to let you know about the sound and stuff. We are making a vegetable smoothie now. We will start this and you can listen to the sound. There is a slight vibration while doing this, but I think it's common with 1000 watts mixer grinder. This is our unboxing and first impressions of Sujata MG03 mixer grinder. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.